Cebu Ocean Park, we have three kinds. So we have our green-winged macaw bandit, our blue and gold macaw Goldie, and our blue-naped parrot Yoshi. Now just a friendly reminder to each and every one, if our birds and trainers will roam around you, please do not try to reach or touch our birds, because they get frightened easily and could bite. So especially sa kids, sila na to touch itong mga birds, kaya mamaakman sila. Now let's call in Bandit, Goldie, and Yoshi. With trainer Jesse is Bandit, with trainer Nix is Yoshi, and with trainer Vince is Goldie. So now let's start. Now first on your right with trainer Jesse is our green-winged macaw Bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. So his wings and tail feathers are green and blue. So this macaw has a white naked face striped with smaller red feathers. So its scientific name is Arapleuropterus. Now Bandit, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Other side of Bandit, hello. So mukis po na siya sa trainer. Again. And a sweet. Now up next to trainer Vince is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its inner wings and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. Now its scientific name is Ararauna. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have three blue and gold macaws. So we have Goldie up there and si Blue that I saw earlier in a basketball game. So later, napag-nice segment si Goldie. Now kung si Bandit mag-hi, si Goldie can flex her wings. So flex your wings. Okay. Now lastly with trainer Nix is our blue-naped parrot Yoshi. Now blue-naped parrots are native in Borneo and in the Philippines. So here in the Philippines, they're locally known as Picon. Now for their lifespan, Yoshi right there can live up to 40 to 60 years old. While our macaws Bandit and Goldie, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And now lastly, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. Sana all. And so that is it for different kinds of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our green-winged macaw Bandit, our blue-and-white macaw Goldie, and our blue-naped parrot Yoshi.